Hi everybody, this is math for Wednesday, the 23rd. We are going to start with our place value. So we're going to need our place value chart, our blocks, place value blocks, and our money. We're going to be using our markers. And this is in your math stuff, right? The new math bag, and you'll see this. This is the one more, one less, 10 more, 10 less game. We're going to play this, and you'll also need a paper clip. You can find one of these in your science bag. And I believe that's it. So let's get started on our place value. So here we go. Alrighty. So I'm going to start by taking my pen. To be prepared. My apologies. Don't know where my pen went. Okay, so today is the 25th day of school, so I'm going to start by writing 25. 20, right? That's a tens number. You can hear it, 20. And 5, that's a ones number. So because I have two tens here to show 20, I'm going to get my two tens out. Like this. Dun, dun, dun. There's my two tens, and I've got 5 here in the ones column. So I'm going to fill up the top row of my, there we go, 10 frame. So there we go. So there's my 25 with blocks, and now I'm going to make 25 with money. Now, in order to do this so we have tens and ones, we're not going to use a quarter, but a quarter is also 25 cents. So I'm going to start with my dimes. These are my tens. And I need my nickel for 5. So there's my 5, right? Now, like I said, we actually have a coin, the quarter, that equals 25. And when we get to 100 days of school, we'll start using our quarters, and we'll count by 25s. But for this purpose, we're just going to use our 2 dimes and a nickel for 25. And now I'm going to write my expanded form. How much is in each column? Well, 10, 20. There's 20 in this column. Plus, there's 5 in that column. And that gives me 25. That's the number of the day. There we go. So let's start by reading the number in standard form, 25. And now we'll count with our blocks, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now we're going to count with our money, 10, 20, 25, right? We have to jump 5 for the nickel, so let's do that again. 10, 20, 25. So now we're going to read our expanded form. 20 plus 5 equals 25. Very nice, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to clean up. So I'm going to erase with my eraser. And I'm going to put my pen back in this bag right away so that I don't lose it again. I put my blocks in the wrong bag. Check that out. Alright, so let's clean up. If you have a bag, this one's getting old, that rips, let us know. We can replace it. I'm going to make sure these are closed so nothing spills. And now I'm going to look at my game. So there's 2 parts to the game. This is the directions and the spinner, and this is your game board. So here's how we make our spinner. We take a paper clip. See if I can do this right. Okay, and I'm going to stick this in here. And it should, yep, spin around. Okay, so I just have to open it up a little bit. So now if I spin it, oops, there we go. and it'll land somewhere. Just like that. No, I should probably stop holding it like that. So there's our spinner, and here's our game board. So we're going to need counters. So you have 2 color counters. So you play with 2 people. One person can be one color, one the other color. Each player chooses a counter, and everyone places their counter on a starting number. Okay, one of the circles. You're going to put your counter somewhere on a circle. So let's say this person's going to start at 54, and this person's going to start at 12. And you take turns to spin on the spinner, and whatever you land on shows how you move your counter. So let's say I spin here. This says 10 more. So this person for 10 more is going to go down. Now it's this person's turn. This person got also 10 more. So now this person's going to move down. Whatever you land on is how you move. So it's going to be 1 more, 1 less, or 10 more, 10 less. The first person to land on one of the star numbers wins. So now I've got 10 less. This person has to go back. That person got 10 more, whoop, and they won because they landed on a star. Okay, so then if you want to play again, everybody picks another circle and you go like that, and then the person who wins, right, is the first person to land on a star. So that's your 10 more, 10 less game. In class, we would normally play this in class, but since you're at home, we made game boards for everybody. You can play with another player. You can play with 3 people if you want to put, one of your pennies down from your money bag. You can put a penny down on one of the circles and play with 3 people as well. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you guys later. Bye.